Adding interactive hotspots to your Snagit capture is a unique feature in Snagit. Not sure what hotspots are? Let me show you. Hotspots are interactive effects you can add to your Snagit captures that let you link to a specific URL, display pop-up text when the cursor hovers over the hotspot, or even add a pop-up graphic. Let's look at how this is done. Here we have an image of a bicycle in the Snagit editor. What if I wanted to let users click on the image to learn more about the different parts of a bicycle? This is a great use for hotspots. To create a link, I first need to assign a hotspot area. You have a few choices on the shape of the hotspot. I'm going to use the circle shape and draw around the bicycle tire. With the hotspot in place, I can add interactive elements. For example, if you want to take the user to a specific website where they can find out more about bicycle wheels, just add the website address to the Link To box. And if you want to give people more information when they place their mouse on the image, enter a tooltip here. Be aware that the tooltip will only work if you have a Link To hotspot for your capture. Not interested in adding just a link to a website? Then let's take a look at two other Flash pop-up options available. I'll draw a new shape on the image with the polygon tool. I'll click and drag my mouse to draw the first line, and then click at different points to create the polygon shape. Just double-click your mouse to close it. With that hotspot region selected, click the Flash pop-up button. From here you have two options. Let's start with the text pop-up option. Enter the text you would like displayed for this hotspot and click OK. Now, when you hover your mouse over the hotspot region, the text will pop up near your hotspot. Snagit will try to place the text pop-up in your capture as best it can, but unfortunately you can't manually move the pop-up text. So you might have to adjust the canvas size of the image a bit before the text pops up where you'd like. You do have some additional options to change the outline color of the pop-up box, the fill color of the pop-up box, as well as the highlight color of the hotspot region when the cursor hovers over it. I think I'll change the highlight to Snagit Blue. Let's try a graphic pop-up now. I'll draw one more hotspot region on the image using the square tool. Again, make sure the hotspot region is selected and choose Graphic Pop-up. Navigate to find the image you want displayed and click Open. Now when you hover over the hotspot region, the graphic pops up. Just remember, like the text pop-up, there's no way to edit where the image pops up, so you may have to play around with the image canvas and the placement of the hotspot. But now that we have this interactive file, what file formats can we use to save this capture? Good question. There are three formats: MHT, PDF, and SWF. MHT isn't used much these days and only works with Internet Explorer and the Opera browser. PDF only supports basic text pop-ups, but can open up on any platform. SWF works great in a browser and you get the nice text and graphic pop-ups, so I suggest you use that if you can. Just remember, those viewing your image will need the Adobe Flash Player installed.